The city of Luvir, Pathapanom. Cultural diversity. Beautiful Puthai ladies. Brilliance illuminates both perception and pictures. Nakhon River. Nakhon Phanom province has an area of 5,512.7 square kilometers, or about 344,541.32 rai, and 140 meters above middle sea level, and away from Bangkok about 740 kilometers. Nakhon Phanom province is border, located in upper northeastern of Thailand. Topography of Nakhon Phanom is linear along Mekong River, about 153 kilometers, located between latitudes 16 to 18 degrees north and longitudes 104 to 105 degrees east. Nakhon Phanom has an agricultural area approximately 1,435,653 rai, or about 41.67%. Economic crops are rice, corn, tobacco, sugarcane, and cassava. Land use planning problem in Nakhon Phanom province. Unfertilized soil, sandy soil, acid soil, shallow soil, and laterite soil. The land development station Nakhon Phanom is located at 249 หมู่ 6 หนองญาตินาแกโรด ตำบลหนองญาติ อำเภอเมือง นครพนม province, away from downtown about 9 kilometers. The land development station Nakhon Phanom has an area of 350 rai. The land development station was established on February 15, 1965 under the names Soil and Water Conservation Center of Nakhon Phanom. It's responsible for education, research methods appropriate to local soil and water conservation to help farmers. Now, the Land Development Station Nakhon Phanom has changed from the Land Development Center. That's under the Land Development Regional Office 4 of Land Development Department in Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives. Responsibility areas of Land Development Station Nakhon Phanom are 12 Ampere, 98 Tambon, and 1,123 villages. Staff of Land Development Station Nakhon Phanom, Mr. Shailer Uthapaseut, is Director of Land Development Station Nakhon Phanom and consists of administrative staff 8 person, permanent employee 7 person, and government employee 7 person. Roles and responsibility of Land Development Station Nakhon Phanom. The first, advisory service for farmers about land use planning and problem areas, e.g., saline soil, acid soil, unfertilized soil, and other problems that make agricultural products decline. The second, preparation of soil and water conservation. Improvement the soil, construction farm ponds and small ponds, and other soil and water conservation, for example, supporting to use virtual gas for soil and water conservation. The third, soil analysis service and test the quality of fertilizers. The fourth, agricultural input service to reduce the cost in agricultural production. The fifth, demonstration and distribution to knowledge about land development to farmers and people who pay attention from efficiently land use together with improvement as well. That for sustainable agriculture,